Core War is a 1984 programming game created by D.G. Jones and A.K. Dewdney in which two or more battle programs compete for control of a virtual computer. These battle programs are written in an abstract assembly language called Redcode. At the beginning of a game, each battle program is loaded into memory at a random location, after which each program executes one instruction in turn. The goal of the game is to cause the processes of opposing programs to terminate, leaving the victorious program in sole possession of the machine. The earliest published version of Redcode defined only 8 instructions. The ICWS 86 standard increased the number to 10, while the ICWS 88 standard increased it to 11. The currently used 1994 draft standard has 16 instructions. However, Redcode supports a number of different addressing modes and instruction modifiers which increase the actual number of operations possible to 7168. The Redcode standard leaves the underlying instruction representation undefined and provides no means for programs to access it. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.